Dear student, welcome to my channel. Topic of this video is Introduction to NLP. This is the first video on this topic. In this video I am going to explain introduction, definition, NLG and NLU, need of NLP and NLP goals. Now let us start. Introduction to NLP. Natural languages are the languages which have naturally evolved and used by human beings for communication purpose. The term natural in the context of the language is used to distinguish human language such as English, Spanish, French, Marathi from computer language, that is nothing but formal language such as C, C++, Java, Python. NLP is the scientific study of languages from computational perspective. NLP is a field of computer science and linguistics concerned with the interaction between computers and human language. NLP theoretically induced a range of computational techniques for analyzing and representing natural occurring text at one or more level of linguistic analysis, for example, syntax semantics level, for the purpose of achieving human-like language processing for range of tasks or application. NLP has significant overlap with the field of computational linguistics and is often considered as a sub-branch of artificial intelligence. Definition of NLP. Variety type of definitions for NLP are there. Natural language processing is a field of research and application that determines the way the computer can be used to understand and manage natural language in the form of text or speech to do useful things. Or natural language processing is a subfield of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. NLP aims to equip computers with the ability to understand, generate, and manipulate human language through machine learning algorithms. NLP is all about processing of data. That data may be news articles, web pages, scientific articles, patent, email, government, etc. We possess a vast amount of not only text data but other types of data like image, video, etc. However, it exists in unstructured format, making it difficult to analyze and utilize effectively. Additionally, this data encompasses a variety of languages exceeding our ability to comprehend them all. Popular internet languages include English, Chinese, Spanish, Arabic and French, along with multitude of others. Now for such type of data, the two applications are very famous, that is summarize and translation. Don't convert each and every word of one language to another, but better is to extract or summarize or extract the key points from the multilingual unstructured text data regardless of the language, and after that whatever the summary that convert to the one language to another, that is nothing but translation. Natural language generation and understanding. These are closely related fields that work together to enable computers to interact with human language more effectively. Both NLG and NLU rely on various machine learning and statistical methods to achieve their goals. Natural language generation. It refers to the ability of computers to create human-like text. Example, machine translation. Convert the text from one language to another like English to Marathi and vice versa. Report generation, automatically creating the report or summaries based on the data. Chatbots, generating the response in conversational manner. Now to do this application we require the NLP at various levels. Now for simplicity I have taken only the level of morphology. Morphology deals with the structure of words including prefixes, suffixes and root words. Understanding morphology is crucial for NLG generation to generate grammatically correct statement. For example, if we want to convert the statement into the past tense like she went to the store yesterday, so here the past tense of go is went. But if we use only single rule, that is to use ed to make the past tense, though it will convert she go to the store yesterday, which is a wrong. So to do this task, the understanding of the language at various level is required. Next is natural language understanding. NLU focuses on computers' ability to process and comprehend human language. Sentiment analysis, understanding the emotional tone of text, that is positive, negative, neutral. Question answering, extracting the answer to question post in natural language. Part of speech tagging, recognizing different grammatical roles of word like noun, verb, adjective. In NLU, with understanding of morphology, we also require the understanding the sentence structure, that is syntax and meaning, semantics. It also requires the pragmatics level at a higher end. Syntax refers to the arrangement of words and phrases in sentence. NLU system uses syntax to understand the relationship between words and their grammatical rules. For example, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now here we require to recognize fox as the subject, jumps as the verb, dog as the object, and this allows NLU to understand the action being described. Now next see the semantic rule for NLU. Semantic refers to the meaning of words and sentence within a specific context. NLU system considers the semantics to interpret the overall meaning of sentence going beyond the literal meaning of individual words. Now see the example. The bank is on the river. Now the bank has two meanings. One is financial institution and second is river bank. Now here the statement is ambiguous. Even the river word is there and bank word is there. It is not the river bank, but it is the meaning is that the financial institution, that is bank building, is located near the river. So this is nothing but the meaning. Now we will see the top 10 languages in the internet. So not only English natural language is used, but in world variety type of other natural languages are used for day-to-day communication. Need of NLP or why to use the NLP. Analyzing tons of data. NLP enables the automated processing and analysis of vast amount of textual data, making it manageable and insightful. Identifying the various language and dialects. NLP tools can detect and process multiple language and dialects, facilitating global communication and translation. Handling ambiguities. NLP techniques help to resolve ambiguities in language such as polysemy, homonymy, and variety types are there in ambiguities, thus improving the accuracy in understanding and interpretation. Extracting information. NLP can extract structured information from unstructured text, aiding in data mining and knowledge discovery. Improving human-computer interaction. NLP enhances the interaction between human and computer and making it more natural and intuitive through applications like chatbots and virtual assistants. Text is the largest repository of human knowledge. By studying NLP, we can tap into the vast repository of written language, gaining insight from literature, research, and historical documents. Enhancing accessibility. NLP technologies improve accessibility for individuals with disabilities such as text-to-speech for visual impaired and speech recognition for those with mobility issues. This is very important. Applying the quantitative analysis. NLP provides the quantitative matrices and insight from qualitative data, enhancing the decision making and data-driven strategies using the machine learning algorithm. NLP goals. So there are two types of goal. First is fundamental and scientific goal. That is nothing but deep understanding of the broad language. Can we teach computers to understand the natural language, and then human machine interaction is possible in natural language. So this goal is very deep and it is very difficult to achieve in first stage. Now the next goal are nothing but the approximation, that is nothing but engineering goal. Design, implement and test system that process natural language for practical application. Now it is very difficult to achieve the fundamental and scientific goal, because to achieve a deep understanding of broad language enabling human machine interaction in natural language, this goal is while aspirational but remains challenging to fully realize. The well-known example of this category is the system developed by team of researchers of Georgetown University. For example, the sentence is in English, that is, the spirit is willing but the flesh is weak. Now they have converted using the machine translation from English to Russian and then again Russian to English back, and when it is converted, its meaning become the vodka is good but the meat is rotten, because while converting from English to Russian, for spirit it is converted to vodka and for flesh it is converted to meat. and week is converted to roton. So this translation is not accurate. So it is not possible to develop any NLP application which will give the 100% result, but we can consecutively generate or we can develop the application in step by step, or at every iteration we are getting the success. For example, just see the wrong machine translation example. Drive with confidence. Mistranslation: operate vehicle while intoxicated. Fly with us. Flee using our services. Keep clothes fresh. Preserve garments in refrigerator. Hot and ready. Angry and prepared for combat. Connecting people. Entangling humans physically. So this is the way that we can't achieve the 100% success in any NLP application, but over the stage, as we are improving the application by using variety type of techniques, we are getting the close success. Engineering goal: to design, implement and test system that process natural language for practical applications. While attaining a human language understanding is complex, NLP has successfully produced numerical practical application that is language related task. This includes spelling suggestion, query prediction, domain specific chatbot, information extraction, sentiment analysis, machine translation, spam detection, text summarization, etc. These applications demonstrate the practical value of NLP techniques in addressing the real world language processing challenge, even as the research continues toward more comprehensive language understanding. For example, spelling suggestion: if we type accommodate and if our spelling is wrong, it will give the suggestion. Query prediction: if we write weather in MU, then it will give or it will predict either the cities, for example here Mumbai. Domain specific chatbot: what's your return policy? Then it will give the reply: our item can be returned within 30 days of purchase. Sentiment analysis: this movie was a complete waste of time. This is a negative sentiment detected. Spam detection: congratulations, you won. So this is classified as a spam. Text summarization: for example long paragraph is there and summarization is: Senate passes the new climate bill with the bipartisan support. Information extraction: for example extracting names, location or dates from news article. For example, Steffi Graf from German spotted in New York yesterday. Machine translation: how are you doing today? If we convert into the Marathi, it will convert तुम्ही आज कसे आहात. So this is all about the introduction of NLP, and in the next video I am going to explain what is the history of NLP, language grammar processing in NLP and generic phases of the NLP. Thank you.